Sandra here at JTech, and tonight I'm going to be doing a welding cut. So the first thing you want to do is you want to have your oxygen open all the way, and then you want to open your acetylene a quarter of a turn. So what you want your oxygen to be set around 28-30 psi, and then we have this set about 7 to 8 for our acetylene. So make sure you have your proper safety equipment. So you definitely want some really good welding gloves. This stuff gets really hot. It's very easy to burn yourself. So we have our safety glasses, which are standard for the cutting welding. Every type of welding has their own certain specification for what your glasses should be set at, or your hood should be set to make sure that you don't hurt your vision by doing this. So we're going to open up the acetylene, which is our little red tube, and our oxygen comes in here. So open up the acetylene, and you'll hear us like this. So then you want to strike it. Alright. You want your flames to feather out just a little bit. You want to be able to see the black smoke, and you want oxygen opened all the way up at the bottom. So then you're going to use your top oxygen, and that's going to adjust the flame. So you see we've got small little cones in the center. We want to have those be fairly small. Now you've got it set, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have your piece of metal ready, and you're going to take this, and before you press in the trigger, take it up to your piece of metal. You want to get it red hot before you actually start to make your cut. You also want to add some stability. So, metal. So we cut our piece of metal. Here's our piece. It's already jagged on one side, but then you want to come back and you want to look and you want to check out your cut that you made. So you can tell how well you cut the cut. It's actually fairly smooth here, but here on the edge where it starts to curve, it went over a little bit, got a little too close to the top, and it's a little jagged here, but overall I'm learning. So that's it.